All right, I was thinking about doing a quick video, but I'm gonna just give y'all a short real quick. My boy just got a new lowrider ST with the rocker system. We ain't even left the dealership yet. We're installing this shit right here. We're like about 20 minutes in, so it's easy installation. All we gotta do now is do the last plug to the positive on the battery, and we're done. But about, like I said, about 20 minutes in, had the toolkit in the truck, met him up here. Fairings off. Come on now. You can't fuck with us. You can't fuck with us. Rockford system installed right in the parking lot of the dealership. Y'all see it? Saying bye-bye to the old bike. Got that joint wired in. Moment of truth. Come on now. Come on now. In the fucking Harley parking lot. Fuck that 150 hour labor and all that shit. What the fuck they think this is? Rockford joint installed right in the Harley parking lot.